Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use Street View on Google Maps. Why would you want to know how to use Street View on Google Maps? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Maps and not sure how to use Street View on Google Maps. So today I am going to show you how to use Street View on Google Maps. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instruction. First of all, open Google Maps app. You are seeing a square type icon here. Click on it. Here you can see multiple type of views. If you are willing to use Street View option, click on it. Now select a location and see Street View of the location. Street View is limited. You can't use it everywhere. You are seeing multiple small circles. These are the areas from where you can see Street View. Now click on any circle and view street. So there you go. If you were wondering how to use Street View on Google Maps, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.